70, Germany, Britain all. 73, Yom Kippur. 1979, Iranian Revolution. 1980, yes, ईरान इराक वॉर. और इसी ईरान इराक वॉर में जो $14 बिलियन दिया गया कुवैत ने, एंड इसके वजह से 1990 गल्फ वॉर. And the two kind of what is an allegation on the Kuwait by Iraq. One is in a slant drilling and then lower price. Understood? And thereafter we have been able to see 2000 it is in a California, and then by the Enron manipulation, and 2004 it is I said Argentina, and 2000 I said that 11 Zimbabwe, and then 2005 China, 2005 and 2008, and 2008 again we have seen I said Central Asia Tajikistan energy crisis. Understood? There are several, but यही important है. So we have seen, और जापान में 2013 में energy crisis was there due to the what tsunami, and the nuclear power station has been what destroyed. Just you have to see, understanding आ चुका है आपको energy crisis का completely. Yes, and I said that generally union organized strike, जो हमने causes अभी देखा था आपको, perhaps you remember, union organized strikes and the government embargo is stopping and hindering energy production. याद है, under the industrial action we have seen. Next one is overconsumption of energy. Have you seen? If energy is overconsumed more than your demand, it leads to the energy crisis. Aging infrastructure, perhaps you remember, aging infrastructure. Bottlenecks at oil refineries and port facility that restricts fuel supply. याद है आपको, oil refineries और ports से क्या होगा, आपने रोक दिया, embargo कर दिया. And excessive exploitation with the aim to dominate the world. Who is doing excessive exploitation? US and all. तो दूसरी जगह पे कम जाएगा, they will demand more. Reckless depletion of natural resources and wastages by the developed nation. तो national developed nation इसका reckless, useless use कर रहे हैं. Development of modern cheaper means of transportation discouraging people from using public transport. Cheaper means of transportation discouraging. तो आप आज के डेट में, पहले लोग कार नहीं खरीदते, लोगों अब कार इजिली आ गया, cheaper means of transportation. अब वो क्या स्टॉप कर दिए, पब्लिक ट्रांजिट सिस्टम. दे स्टॉप. पहले दे आर मूविंग इन द पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. प्राइवेट जो भी गवर्नमेंट जो प्रोवाइड करी है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर इज प्रोवाइडिंग. नाउ दे आर मूविंग देयर ओन. दैट लीड टू द इंक्रीज इन व्हाट कंजम्पशन ऑफ फ्यूल. अंडरस्टूड? Energy shortage due to sudden and seasonal increase in demand during the unusually cold winters. After infrastructure damage from the severe weather like cyclone and the tsunami and all. And then attacks by terrorists or militia important infrastructure that will lead to the energy supply. And then some of the important we have seen. Understood? So we have seen these are the major causes of energy crisis which we have done earlier. Now what is the major challenge? याद रखेंगे major causes जो हमने different aspects में heading and subheading में we have seen. Now the next is a limited reserve. Challenge क्या है? We have a limited reserve of coal and oil which are about to exhaust. It is near in the future, it is about to exhaust. Coal finish hoga, oil will finish, and all are what? Non-renewable resource of energy. I said that therefore we should have an alternative approach needed to develop. क्या हमें जरूरी है alternative approach करना? It is much needed. Therefore we started doing solar energy, therefore we started doing wind energy, therefore wave energy, therefore we have done tidal energy, geothermal energy, ocean thermal energy, hybrid kind of concepts, several, tar sand, shale oil, shale gas. Understood? We started doing different other alternative. Understood? So I said that alternative approach needed to be developed, and one it is in a gas hydrates. You know? And how much gas hydrates we have? In our western coast and eastern coast of India. And it is in the news. 1900 यहाँ पे पेट्रोल बनता है इन द कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ में. देयर इज अ 19 और गैस हाइड्रेट्स किसमें? मीथेन गैस विद इन द आइस क्रिस्टल. आइस क्रिस्टल बॉल के अंदर में गैस हाइड्रेट्स होते हैं. मीथेन गैस is what trapped inside the ice crystal. I should teach you in continental shelf जब मैं बताता हूँ oceanography. And then I said that, and how much west coast and east coast has 1900 trillion cubic meter. How much reserve? 1900. तो हमारे पास which are the alternative resources? Just tell me. क्या क्या हम कर सकते हैं? Just tell me. First, what are the alternative challenge है ना हमारे पास, क्योंकि आने वाले समय में दिस रिन्यूएबल नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी विल फिनिश. सो हम लोग फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे? सोलर एनर्जी लिखते चलेंगे. व्हाट इज द अल्टरनेटिव वी कैन बी एबल टू डू? अल्टरनेटिव एनर्जीज. यस, व्हाट आर द अल्टरनेटिव्स? वील हैव टू सी. टेल मी फर्स्ट. सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, yes, wave energy, ocean wave energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, ocean thermal energy conversion, OTEC, ocean thermal energy conversion, shale gas, SHALE, shale gas, shale oil, tar sand or bituminous sand, tar sand oil or bituminous sand oil, यस. कौन कौन सा मैंने बोल दिया? और कुछ? सेल गैस बोल दिया. सेल गैस, सेल ऑयल, सेल गैस, सेल ऑयल दोनों बोल दिया मैंने. यस. टार सैंड, ओशन थर्मल एनर्जी कन्वर्जन. So if I am talking about solar energy की जो अभी बात की जा रही है, and then India is in which country? It is a tropical, and therefore it is coming under the International Solar Alliance group में आता है. International Solar Alliance, ISA. And then India has promised by 2022 they will produce 1 lakh megawatt. How much? 1 lakh megawatt of electricity through the solar energy. 1 lakh megawatt of electricity through the solar energy. That is okay. And then there is he also promised to produce wind energy. और अभी हम लोग कितना प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं? सोलर एनर्जी. साइड में लिख लेंगे अभी कितना प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. हाउ मच सोलर एनर्जी वी हैव? एनीबॉडी? 8,000 megawatt. Around how much? 7,500 to 8,000 megawatt we have in solar energy. लेकिन एवरी मंथ में डाटा चेंज होते जा रहा है. गवर्नमेंट इज पुटिंग इट लार्ज. एंड देन नाउ हाउ मच वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस? 1 lakh by 2022. We have to produce how much? 1 lakh. So it has what is I said that around 12 to 13 times we have to increase. And that could be. And ये कौन करेगा? Annex 1 and Annex 2 countries. With the help of which one will do? Annex 1 and Annex 2 country. Annex 1 will give a financial help. Annex 2 will give a technological help. So that the solar panels can be cheaper as per the Kyoto Protocol. As per the Kyoto Protocol and clean development mechanism and all, they have to give us what is an Annex 1 and Annex 2 country will provide us. And which are the two helps? What are the helps they will provide? Technological and financial. Understood? जिसकी वजह से हमारा सोलार पैनल क्या हो जाएगा? आज यदि 5 लाख का आने वाले समय में it will be what is enough? 1,50,000. Yes. Next one I said that solar wind energy. Wind energy, how much we are producing? How much we are producing? 27 जो बोल रहे थे वो विंड का बोल रहे थे. 27,500 means around 28,000 megawatt we are producing with the wind energy, and that has to reach to 60,000 megawatt. ये कितना पहुंच जाना है इसे? 60,000 मेगावाट. उसके बाद हमने क्या देखा? यस टेल मी. यस, ओशियन वेव एनर्जी. सो हम लोग देखेंगे इन ओशियन वेव एनर्जी फर्स्ट वन आई सेड दैट सोलर एनर्जी. विंड एनर्जी में आप लोग देखोगे देर इज एन, आई सेड दैट देर इज एन गुड अमाउंट ऑफ, व्हाट इज एन, आई सेड दैट in the different region we are producing. In Gujarat, Kutch, in the Jaisalmer, and then in the region of Jamnagar, and the Kanyakumari में Mupandal, Perugundi, एंड दिस कच्छ में जो है मालवी, लांबा. सो दीज आर, आई सेड दैट, ये कौन से रीजन हमने बताया? वैसे तो सो सेवरल प्लेसेस, एक इंपॉर्टेंट बताया मैंने. जब बताता हूं तो मैं लगभग 20 रीजन्स आई सेड दैट. यहाँ पे कयट्टार एंड ऑल इन द तमिलनाडु, एंड आई सेड these are the famous one for the wind energy if you have been able to see. And thereafter if I am talking about ocean, and uske baad ocean wave energy, ocean wave energy in Kerala, I said that there is nearby Thiruvananthapuram, Vijingam. Which one I said that? Ocean wave energy. Understood? Thereafter, ocean wave energy. And ocean wave energy. Thereafter, कौन सी energy है? Tidal energy in Kutch. Tidal Gulf of Cambay, Kutch बोल रहा हूँ, sorry, Gulf of Cambay, Khambhat. In the Gulf of Khambhat, tidal energy, and in the, I said that near Kolkata, in this region, tidal energy we are producing. Tidal energy, understood? After this, yes, tell me. Geothermal energy, I said that in the Leh Ladakh, which valley? कौन सा? पुंगा. कौन सा? पुंगी बजा दी है. कौन सा? लेह लद्दाख वाले? पूगा वैली. Which valley? Puga Valley in Leh Ladakh, and this is for which? Geothermal. And then Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh, in Kullu Manali. Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh. आप जब कुल्लू घूमने जाओ, मनाली जाओ, then they will be able to see. वहां पे there is a गुरुद्वारा. जियोथर्मल एनर्जी. और जियोथर्मल एनर्जी का एक सिंपल कंसेप्ट होता है कि दिस इज द लैंड, एंड व्हेन द वार्म वाटर इट इज कमिंग आउट, if the warm water is coming out at 100 degree Celsius, clear, at 100 degree Celsius, लेकिन ये मैं पढ़ाऊंगा आपको, अक्टूबर मंथ में पढ़ाऊंगा ये सारी चीजें. I said that when it is coming out, suppose it is coming out at 70 degree Celsius. If the water from the geothermal, if it is in a, नीचे में रॉक होते हैं, गर्म होता है, और this water is coming out 70 degree Celsius, तो ये वाटर वेपर में तो आएगा नहीं, तो we'll pass it through low pressure chamber. We'll pass it through low pressure chamber. और low pressure में suddenly there is a formation of vapor. Yes or not? Low pressure causes, आप mountains पे जाओगे, यहाँ पर क्या है, 1 atmospheric pressure. Therefore the boiling point is what? 100 degree Celsius. But it will go on to the higher mountain and slowly pressure reduces. Therefore at low pressure you can produce energy. And then therefore low pressure पे तुरंत steam बन जाएगा. 60-70 degree Celsius is the boiling point. So there is a formation of, it is known as what? Low pressure chamber. तो यहाँ से क्या बन गया, steam. And इस steam को मैंने पास किया through the turbine and this producing electricity. उसके बाद यहाँ से ये गया किधर, this steam is come to the condenser, और उसके बाद it has been injected inside. ये पानी दोबारा अंदर डाल दिया गया. Why? The reason behind it is it will what is going to change the, I said that earth structure below and it can cause earthquake. So therefore maintaining the water below over there, what it is there like this, because it is coming from the deep. Understood? Otherwise, or we can do, यदि मेरे पास low pressure chamber नहीं है तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, same thing we can do. I said that मैं ये 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस को रहूंगा और यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा पाइप ऊपर ले जा रहा हूँ, एंड देन दिस पाइप के चारों तरफ another pipe will be there, and in this one there will be butane, liquid kind of butane will be pressurized, and they will at 70 degree Celsius they will convert into what I said that gaseous, and then इसके प्रेशर को इंक्रीज किया जाएगा और ये it will put the turbine, इसको क्या करेगा, टरबाइन को मूव कराएगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और यहाँ से फिर ये वाटर